You know, if there's a shoulder shake, I'm happy. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's talk, let's chat. Today's video is sponsored by Maine Attraction Tresses. They reached out to me wanting me to show you guys their beautiful clip-in extensions for women of color, natural hair. So yeah, I'm just going to show you guys what they sent over to me, show you how I use their clip-ins to style my hair. I'm going for a quick little protective style. I have been kind of over my hair over the last couple of weeks. So thanks to Maine Attraction Tresses, I'm going to be putting in a quick little protective style that I'm hoping will last me throughout the week, that I can style, you know, and have fun with, and that's cute. But, you know, it's not a month-long or 2-month-long commitment like braids or cornrows or any of those types of protective styles. So I hope you guys are interested in seeing more about these clip-ins and seeing how I style them in my hair. So this is the packaging. Cute. M-A-T, Maine Attraction Tresses. Be you, be beautiful. So in my package, I got a little pamphlet. Just some tips on how to take care of your clip-ins, which I think is definitely helpful if you are new to extensions or clip-ins or any kind of hair extension. You definitely want to know how to take care of them. It is an investment. You do not want to spend your hard-earned money on this hair and then you don't take care of it and you have to throw it in the trash after 1 or 2 uses. So definitely keep that handy, okay? Also sent over a little bonnet. I think it might have the brand name on there. Oh snap. Cute little bonnet. Nice little thick band. Okay. I love that they personalize what you keep your clip-ins in. Usually you get like a cheap little plastic bag, but we got a nice little silk bag to protect our clip-ins and to store our clip-ins in. So that was smart. I really do like that. So yeah, let me take them out. I forgot. And there's also a satin tie for them edges. For them edges, honey, that's what this is for. You lay them edges down, you tie this on, let them sit and cook for a little bit, and then boom, you got some bomb edges. I'm definitely going to use this with my style today. So let me put that over to the side. All right, so let me show you guys the actual clip-ins. I got the Kinky Straight, I believe. I got the Kinky Straight texture in the length 20 inches. So let me show you guys what that looks like. The hair feels so soft. Just do this all day. Yeah, the hair is super duper soft. Has a lot of body. Now, I should wash these. Although they don't smell like horrible. I've gotten hair in the past that just smell horrible. I would advise you to wash your hair before you use it. But just for the sake of time, I did not pre-wash my hair. But yeah, it came with 2 bundles of clip-ins. Boom, boom, boom. I think this will be enough for the style that I'm going to try to do. But let's see. Hopefully 2 bundles of clip-ins is enough to cover all of this. All of this. I think so. It's a lot of hair. It's a lot of hair, so I'm very hopeful. Just looking at the color, it looks a little bit lighter than my hair color, just a little bit. I feel like it's gonna blend. Those are the clip-ins. I'm gonna cut one of these now so that we can see how many clip-ins you get with a bundle. We got one clip on with 5 clips on it. The next one has 4 clips on it. The next one, which has 3 clips on it. Oh, these are nice and sturdy too. Ain't gonna go nowhere. You get 3 with 2 clips, my bad. With 2 clips. And then you get 2 with 1 clip. I'm going to blow out my hair. I'm going to apply a leave-in, blow out my hair with my blow dryer, braid her up, slick down the front, and then we'll get back and I'll show you guys, the process of me clipping the hair in and styling. That's the plan. I'm excited. I've been dreaming about this hairstyle all week. So it's been a while since I had some length, some extensions, some inches in my hair. So I'm super excited to get to that part. So let me go ahead, let me calm myself down. Let me go ahead and get to it. All right, so I'm going to fast forward through this part. I'm just applying leave-in into each section of my hair, detangling, spraying some heat protectant, and then blow drying my hair out. Once I have done that to all 4 sections, I'm going to go ahead and part my hair across the top as such, and then I cornrowed the back of my hair into this braiding pattern just to give it something sturdy for the clip-ons to actually clip onto. I ended up sewing the end of that braid into the rest of them, so that's my base. And then now I'm going to slick up the front of my hair into a high ponytail using my favorite gel and edge control. I will link them down in the description box if you are interested. But yeah, I'm just gonna make sure we lay them edges and slick that up. And then I'm going to braid that hair and put it into a little bun. And now I'm gonna show you how I clip in the clip-ins. I have my base for the clip-ins. Like I explained, we got it slicked up, the back braided up, and now we're gonna go in with the actual clip-ins. Then we are going to go ahead and push it into the braid, make sure that it's nice and snug, and then close the clip. Alright, so we got our first clip in. One of the pieces with 5 clips, and just go right on top of that. So let's see if this is gonna work. My hope was to make it a ponytail, but it might have to be a bun. But we'll see. But oh, let me show you guys how long it is. Let me put it all the way to the back. I believe it is true to length. But yeah, this came out super cute. I definitely am feeling the bun over what was happening with that ponytail. I gotta figure that out. But definitely drop down below any questions that you have about Maine Attraction Tresses, my technique on how I installed these clip-ins into my hair. If you have any questions or anything like that, yeah, anything else you want to know, drop it down below. Anything else you want to know, drop it down below. Don't forget to check out the description of this video for that coupon code so you can save some coins if you decide to purchase some clip-ins of your own. I want to send a big thank you and shout out to Charmaine at Maine Attraction Tresses for reaching out to me with this opportunity and partnering with me for this video to show you guys these beautiful clip-ins. Thank you so much, sis. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please be sure to drop a big thumbs up. Please let me know that you enjoyed this video. I think that's everything I wanted to say. So I will see you guys in my next video.